Think you need a massive budget for Dubai's amazing theme parks? We did too, especially after seeing the individual ticket prices. But we found a way to do it all. Dubai's combo passes. They were a total game changer for our trip. We challenged ourselves to hack Dubai's top attractions, and we saved over 34%. This is your guide to using combo passes and mobile tickets. Stick around and we'll show you exactly how to do it. First, let's talk about theme parks and water parks. At places like IMG Worlds of Adventure or the huge Dubai Parks and Resorts, home to Motiongate and Legoland, buying single tickets at the gate is not the smart play. Instead, we bought combo passes online. We just scanned our phones and walked right in, skipping the long queues. For example, you can pair IMG with Aquaventure Water Park for a 22% discount. Or grab a one-day two-parks pass for Dubai Parks and Resorts, which can save you up to 44%. We combined Motiongate and Legoland in one day, and the flexibility was amazing. So what's the final tally? By strategically using combo passes, we saved a grand total of 34% compared to what we would have spent at the gate. If you plan on visiting at least 2 parks in Dubai, these passes are absolutely worth it. The key is to plan ahead to find the bundle with the biggest discount. We've dropped links to the passes we used in the description below. Book with complete confidence on book-dubai.com. Enjoy instant confirmation, secure Stripe checkout, and free cancellation on all bookings. Your ticket is sent instantly to your email and WhatsApp. Only verified, trusted, official attractions. Book now on book-dubai.com. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel hacks.